Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a floating animation in CapCut PC. So you can create these animations for your logos like this. For example, I've already imported this CapCut logo. And to start creating the floating animations, let's go to the video effects. And here, let's search for the play pendulum effect. Click on enter and add it to the timeline here. So download it first, then just drag it into the timeline. I'm going to apply to this effects, and here adjust the effect. Let's add the twist into 0, sharpen to 0, and here adjust the strength. I'm going to just go with 3, and this is the floating animations. So this is the floating animation. Don't forget to adjust the speed to make the floating animations looks more obvious. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.